Welcome to my channel. My name is Tim Sutherland. Today I'm going to go over bringing your funds to closing. At the end of the process, you'll line up for your closing, and you're all excited to get there. You're either because you've just bought a new house or maybe you're refinancing. 3 or 4 business days at minimum, maybe even more, your lender has sent you your closing disclosure. It's called the initial closing disclosure, and will be close to accurate, may not always be spot on. So the recommendation I always provide is when you get to the bottom line on a round up, because sometimes things change. Sometimes I've seen borrowers, they'll call the title company afterwards to find out how to get the money or how much they need, rather than call their lender who provided the figures. Title company go, oh, just wait till you get the final closing disclosure, you can get it then. It's poor advice, because very often you won't get that final disclosure till the day before or even the day of closing. Now you're trying to scramble for your funds, you're waiting in line at the bank, and it can be rather stressful. You want to go by the figure on your initial closing disclosure. You got a minimum of 3 business days before closing. Suggest round up. Your title company does not get to keep the difference. They don't get to keep the change. So if you need, say, $99,400 at closing, you bring $100,000, they will give you back the $600. They don't get to keep it. So save yourself a bit of stress, get that ahead of time. And going over that, you do want to call title company prior to getting there, or prior to getting the funds. Find out how they want your funds. Do they want it wired, or do they want it by certified check? And if it's by certified check, you got to find out who it's payable to. Another thing to watch for if it is by wire is there are scams out there. And so if you look in your real estate contract, pretty much anything you get from the lender these days, you're going to find all sorts of warnings about that. And basically, they're telling you before you wire any funds, you need to call your title company at a number you know, not the one that's in the email or whatever other communication, and verify that those funds before you send them. Helps keep them from ending up in the abyss and poor outcomes to that extent. I also tell people if the email comes from your lender or your real estate agent, just go ahead and hit the delete button, because none of them are going to send you wire instructions. They're all wise to it now. And so everybody steps back and leaves it between you and your title company. Now, lining up your funds also, when you're sending it, maybe when you got your loan, you verified your closing funds are from Bank A. And then you, as you're getting your money together, you figure, oh, I got money in Bank B, I'll just send the funds from there. Well, you didn't tell your lender about Bank B, and it's going to put a kibosh on your close right there. The funds, you need to provide them from bank account that you have provided to and been verified by the lender that is doing your new loan. If you're not sure which one that is, they will let you know. Also, if you have multiple accounts, same bank, double check the account numbers, make sure it's appropriate. Same thing if you got a gift coming to closing. Parents are wiring gift funds, sending gift funds to closing. Make sure that what they send on the gift part is only the amount that they've said they're going to give. They can't just send the full amount as a convenience. Funds have to be tracked. So again, don't wait. Get them ahead of time, and you'll get change. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.